Hello and greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we as Group 5 will be presenting about our product. So, before I start with my presentation, I will introduce me and my group members. So, my name is Muhammad Haikal bin Ma'aruf with number matrix 0720F 2018. To the next one, by Haki Akasha bin Hassan 07 DEP 20F 2020. And to the third guy, Muhammad Shukri bin Iman Shah 07 DEP 20F 2008. And to the last guy, Pierre Franklin Moseong with his number matrix 07 DEP 20F 2026. Without any further ado, let's get on with our presentation. So, I will be presenting about our rough sketch of our product. So, this is all is point of view of all product that will be provided in the market. So, for the first two pictures, which is the A and P, it will be from the point of view which is from the front. So, if you put it in front, it will be totally like that. So, we mark that this earphone having fingerprint sensor, so you can just use it with tapping your earphone, and having a built-in microphone, so you just simply put your earphone into your ears and it will be function. So to the next picture, this is from the point of view from the top. It having ear tips, so it would goes into your ears without any pain. To the fourth one will be from point of view from rear, so you can see this earphone having speaker intact, of course. And to the next picture, we would like to show you about our charging pad, which is like casing light. So this is from the front and this is from the side. It will be using type C charger, so it would uh, it will trouble you less if you lost your USB charger, since our phones nowadays using the type C charger, so it will be beneficial, yes. So this is from the display from the top. You will be showing, it will display a digital battery from this side. So if you put the casing from the top, you will see from top, yes. So let's continue our presentation with features. So to the first one, Bluetooth, we will be continuing with Perry Franklin. Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Perry Franklin and here I'm gonna explain about Bluetooth 5.2. Okay, first, the latest in Bluetooth technology is obviously 5.2, and while it is not widely available yet, thanks to the delay in consumer model as well as support thanks to that pesky COVID-19 pandemic, the possibility of it are already extremely exciting. One of the first big things to mention here is low energy power control. Low energy was introduced with Bluetooth 4, but it was not sophisticated enough to be used with most practical applications like streaming music. That still required lots more computing power, so low energy was really only used for smaller scale operation, such as with fitness watch or things like that. With Bluetooth 5.2, large amount of information can finally be transmitted over lower bandwidth and at lower power. Presently, this is achieved through the new LC3 codec, which result in information being more compressed on the input side, but being decompressed on the output side much more efficiently. This is great news for those who want high quality Bluetooth audio, as that fidelity is going to be able to be much greater. The audio information is able to compress much smaller, which save time and energy, but not lose any quality due to the efficiency and speed of the decode on the other side. So here I'm gonna give the advantage. The first one is direction finding. The new Bluetooth 5.1 standard will use a combination of two different methods for determining the angle that the Bluetooth signal is being transmitted from, which will result in a high degree of accuracy. Okay, the number two is improve location finding and connection reliability. Okay, while Bluetooth 5.2 was able to help you find your Bluetooth device, it was not that accurate. The new direction finding improvement coming with Bluetooth 5.1 will now allow users to locate their Bluetooth device within inches of the exact location. So the disadvantage is this Bluetooth 5.2 is so expensive because this Bluetooth 5.2 is, like I said before, it is an update technology. Therefore, this item will get a lot of demand, which will cause its value to increase. Okay, I will pass the next feature.
Thank you, Pierre Franklin, for the explanation. So the next will be me. My name is Muhammad Shukri bin Mansha, ID student 07 DEP 20F2008. And now I will present about the AI assistant, which is artificial intelligent assistant. What is AI assistant? AI assistant is a custom language from the electronic that will help you or the user to do a short task given by the user to make the job is more easier or the activities is more easier. For example, like if you want to use YouTube, you just say to the AI assistant to do the job by simply just say open YouTube. Or if you want to make a call, just say call and say the person that you want to call by saying their names. For example, call PA. That's for the example. And now for the advantages of the AI assistant. First is actually user friendly. For the user friendly, actually for our explanation, it's not very complicated, uh, very hard to use. It's quite easy actually. For activate the AI assistant, all you have to do is just by pressing the earbuds here. Press the earbuds for 2 seconds and the AI assistant will automatically on and will help the user to do a simple task. For example, just from previously I say, if you want to call someone, just say call and say the person name that you want to call. Okay. Next is fun to interact with. As we all know, today is the century of 20. So there are many high technologies or really very future technologies that we cannot even imagine. For example, the AI system. Who knows that now robot actually can interact with human, and now the human have already proved it. And now for the disadvantages. For disadvantages, this AI assistant can be used actually for one person. For example, that our AI assistant actually can detect or can do a task by one person that has registered their voice to the AI assistant. So the AI assistant will do the task or will track the voice just by one person voice. So only one person that the first register to the AI assistant can use this feature, which is AI assistant. And the next is can do complex tasks. For our AI assistant, it cannot do a very complex task. For example, that if you want to open gallery, you cannot give a complex picture that you want to see. For example, if you want to open gallery, okay, open gallery, but you, of course, everybody have a many picture about, I don't know, 1000. So if you have that so much picture, or yeah, if you have too much picture, you cannot, the AI system cannot detect or cannot open the specific gallery picture for you. So it can help you open the gallery, but it cannot execute the task to open or to see the picture that you want to see. Thanks to you all. And now I will pass the next presentation to my friend, which is Bayaki. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend, for a great explanation about your feature. And I'm Bayaki Akasa. I'm going to talk about other features that might uh, get you interested. That is noise isolation. Okay. Noise isolation, as the name suggests, isolating noise in a way from areas so it doesn't leak or reach out of the set confines. Something as simple as covering your ears with your hand or putting in some earplugs in a plane to cut off noise when taking off will be the simplest form of noise isolation. In the context of ideal accessory like earphones and headphones, noise isolation refers to addition of specific materials where the earphone tips or earphone mouth comes in contact with your ears. This is actually some sort of foam padding, and its purpose to block unwanted sound from outside, so you can hear your music with a minimal disruption from traffic outside and jam. Noise isolation can be found on any earphone or headphones which come with sound blocking mechanism like silicone tips and memory foam. As an added benefit, noise isolation also prevents from sound escaping from your earphone and headphones to outside, preventing people sit besides or close to you on subway from listening to whatever you are grooving to. Now we know about noise isolation. So, the advantages of noise isolation in our product is it will give you a best sound experience. Like I said before, noise isolation can reduce unwanted sound from the outside and preventing sound to escape. Okay, the advantages of noise isolation in our product is because it reduces some sound from getting to your ear. You become unaware to the sound surrounding for, for to the surrounding. For safety reason, it is not advisable to wear a noise cancelling headphones when you are on the road because it block our noise such as car, train horns, and sirens and make you unaware to the surrounding. And if you're also jamming into the music in addition to the noise cancelling, you won't even hear when people are shouting for you to get out of the way. Other than that, the advantages of noise isolation is it can spread ear infection. Ear infection are certainly not contagious. However, the microorganism that cause the ear infection can spread from a person to a person via a number of ways. And one of them is through sharing headphones. So it is important that you are careful about who gets to borrow your headphones. And if suddenly have lent the headphone to someone, make sure you wipe it with disinfecting wipes before using it again. Okay, that's all about the feature about noise isolation. We are going to the next feature.
Thank you, Bayaki, for the presentation about the noise isolation. Let's continue with built-in microphone. So, these features having its own advantages and disadvantages. So let's continue with the advantages. I am saying that this earphone having two-in-one function. Why is that? Because you can use it for talking and hearing at the same time, which helped by the built-in microphone. So because of that, it will save money for buyers to finding two products. So buyers will be thinking about they need the earphone for listening and microphone for speaking through the into the computers, phone, etc. So this would save money and time for buyers to find the perfect product for their own needs. So to the last one, microphone having noise suppression powered by Crisp. Crisp is a company that serves noise suppression for a popular application which are known as Discord. So this kind of uh, no, sorry, I mean this kind of product that having noise suppression into a microphone would turn out to be a perfect quality for any buyers. So let's go with the disadvantages. If the earphone gets any damage, the microphone gets the collateral damage. So from this sentence, we would understand that once you, let's say you smash up the earphones to the ground, it would affect the damage both to the hearing and speaking function as they are both intact to each other. So since it is built in, it will be hard to repair using DIY method. So you must conduct by our company's technician, which will cost you. So yes, that will be hard to avoid. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now for the next is benefit. We have a five benefit, which is for the first is compact product for all users. Next is could be recharged anytime using the charge station. Okay, for the our charge station actually, it's not only help you to recharge anytime, but also actually help you with a various way. For example, if you in danger or not very safe environment, you can put your earbuds in the charge station because if you drop the earbud from high place, it can damage the earbuds. But if you put the earbud in the charge station, it can prevent the earbuds to broken because the charge station will protect the earbuds from damage because of the drop from high falls. The next is have a noise suppression for both hearing. Uh, for this future, we have actually we have a noise suppression that will help for the better experience listening, both speaking. Because we all know that noise suppression is help you to fed the voice from out of the earbud sound. So if you want to listen to your favorite music, for example, or you want really to focus your online classes, so I think noise suppression actually is quite helpful for you because of the not just the experience but the performance will help you to get better. And next is wireless product is an outsider person day. Okay, for this product, because if because it is our product is wireless. Actually, quite helpful for the outdoor person because we know that outdoor person is actually that do a jog, badminton, cycling, anything they want, and we know that activities and outdoor is actually quite uh, quite have quite movement, have a lot of movement that will make uh, the person need a lot of space to do it. So our product is wireless, so not like the other earbuds that need a wire. Our wireless that will help the people to do their things without they get disturbed by the wire. And lastly, can be shared with your partner, friends, relative if your product comes in pair. We all know that earbuds is actually have a two pairs of earbud. So why not share with your friends, your relative, your friends, your family, everyone you want. All you have to do is just give them one of your pair earbuds and let them listen what you have listened. For example, if you want to share your favorite music, why not share? If you have online classes and your friends uh, want to hear it very clearly, just share the earbuds with your friends. Why not? Share is caring. Okay, that's all for my presentation. And thank you. That's all for my this presentation.
Hello guys, it's me again. I will be talking about recommendation. So this earphone is suitable for literally everyone, but especially outsider persons as the our product is compact and could bring anywhere. So to the second one, this earphone could be shared with two persons. So as it having two wireless, so you can give another person. Let's say you're listening to music and you want to share the music with them. So you just give a port from them and a port for you, like right for you, left with me. Alright. Since it is wireless, it is easy to connect to any device with Bluetooth function, like Bluetooth function successfully. Yes. And to the next one, having one of the best noise suppression function powered by infamous Chris Company. Yes. It is factual that Chris Company gives the best noise suppression. And to the last one, our wireless earphone having an AI assistant could is up and others day, anytime, anywhere. Well, the fact that it have its own AI assistants like iPhone having its own Siri, it will help the others to use any kind of assistance anytime, anywhere. Alright, that's all from us. Thank you for listening and giving your attention about our product. And that's all from us. Thank you.